everyone. Welcome to my home here. You see Chickadee waiting there by the window. She's looking at mice going in and out from underneath the ice rink that never came to be. I had a little bit of a moment today where I felt very frustrated, and you can see the mess. The dishes need to be put away from lunch even. There's stuff everywhere. I think it's just what happens when a bunch of people are stuck in the same house together for a long period of time. Even if you were on vacation when you're at a hotel room and it starts to look kind of like a pigsty because everyone's stuff is just kind of everywhere because everyone's kind of moving in their own way. It's the same kind of feeling here. So I had this moment where I felt very frustrated with the mess, with the clutter, and I found myself on Facebook, and that's never good. I mean, I don't know about you guys. I find it provides a little more anxiety for me than anything else, but it also makes me feel connected too. So anyways, I saw something where it had a picture of a homeless person, and it said, well, you're complaining about being stuck in your home. This person doesn't even have a home. So I think it's exactly what I needed to hear in that moment. The message is loud and clear. It's gratitude. I lost touch with that just for a minute. Maybe longer than a minute. But then I had that little reminder, you have a home. When there's dishes to do, it's because I had food to eat, food to cook, food to make. Because there's a mess here, it means I have people living with me that are keeping me company. Some people are stuck alone. So even if it's not my own mess, I have an opportunity to teach the kids to put their own stuff away. I have an opportunity to learn myself to clean as I go when I'm cooking, not to leave a big mess. It's a lot of little lessons and little gems and jewels that I'm picking up throughout the day as I'm facing this kind of pretty massively different life that we're all kind of living right now. Some people are still at work, some are not. Some have been in their houses continuously for 14 days or however long. And I completely support isolating and quarantine if you're asked to or told to, or if you've been traveling, of course. But I want to really, really reiterate the idea of gratitude. So please try to be grateful for this extra time we've been given, this time with our families, this time to really go inside ourselves, to meditate, to learn things, to have these life lessons that we've been taking for granted. So just take that, if anything. Okay, guys? So enjoy your messes, enjoy your clutter, enjoy all of those things because they mean more than what they are on the surface. Okay? Okay, let's go say hi to Chickadee real quick before we turn this off. It's hard to see because there's so much light. There's our baby girl. Hi, Chickadee. Can I have a high paw? We gotta teach you. See, I've got time. I can train my cat to do high fives. Wow, she has really dilated pupils. Let's see what that means. Let's go look that up. I have time to look that up. Okay, guys. Have a great day and be positive. Love you.